much weight on the human soul. Everybody paying a toll. They tell you who to love or hate. Draw the line beside your fate, but no voice louder than your own. When you stand firm, you stand alone. You can't buy peace with gold. Truth stays strong when the heart stay bold. No more shadows in my way. I choose light every day. I won't fear what they say. No more shadows. No more shadows on the land. We need love, not command. If we rise and understand, no more shadows. Same old story on the news, same old trick, different views. While the people try to breathe, still believing we can be. Music speak when words fall short. Give the weak a stronger voice. When the rhythm hit the ground, freedom make a simple sound. No war high enough to stay. When the people find their way, no more shadows in my way. I choose light every day. I won't fear what they say. No more shadows. No more shadows on the land. We need love, not command. If we rise and understand, no more shadows. One step forward, don't look back. Love is the only track. No more war, no more pain. Different faces, same blood vein. No more shadows, night or day. Let the truth light up the way. If we stand hand in hand, we can heal this land. No more shadows.